In today's video, let's take a look at the way that you use the SoundCloud mobile app. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you download the application, and if you already have an account, make sure that you log into it. Once you're inside of its platform, on the bottom, you're going to get a few options. I'm going to quickly walk you through on what each of these sections are. The first is going to be the home screen, where you're going to discover new music and new artists based upon your listening activities. So based on the songs that you listen to or will listen to in the future, you'll get new songs or new recommendations or even new stations that are provided to you by the algorithm of SoundStation. Secondly, if you head over to the feed section, this is going to be the section that you can view new songs of the artists that you follow, or if you head over to the discover section, you can also view new songs or new artists. This is also going to be based upon what is trending currently as well as the artists that you follow. If you're searching for some songs or any new artists, you can also head over to the search bar on the bottom, and it is going to show you all of the different genres that you can go into as well as the newest trending music. You can also tap on the search bar on the top and then search for any song that you want to listen to. Moving on, if you head over to the library section, these are all of the songs or even stations and albums that you have liked or created a playlist of. So you can see all of these sections. For example, if you like any song, meaning if you tap on the heart icon on any song, all of the songs will be moved to your library, meaning inside of your like section. So these are all of the sections that you can go into and listen to your favorite songs that you've saved. Lastly, if you head over to the upgrade version, if you're currently on a free plan, you can tap on the see all plan option and then choose one of the plans that are available. So that was a simple video on the way that you use the SoundCloud mobile app. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.